What's up, peoples? Down here in the garage with El Reaper, baby. It's snowing out. Look at that miserableness. Oh, don't like it. So me and Alan are down in the garage cleaning up again, but we're gonna do a good detox, yeah? Get rid of everything.
Right, I go.
Scrap. Bye, Alan.
Hi, Alan.
That's another t-shirt. Hi, Alan. We put hi, Alan on the front and bye, Alan on the back. But check out the rig. Check out the van. The little jack front splitter. It's starting to look really shit. Hey. Yeah, just down here doing a good clean up, and I'm just gonna stick it on a time lapse and watch us clean. So yeah, enjoy.
Have fun.
Right guys, we're making progress. Even you can see the floor and nearly all the wall there. But I'm gonna put all the tool chests over in that corner. Al's just flying off there for a bit. He's just jumped in his car. So I'm gonna continue putting all the tools away, getting them all in one section so you know where to go just for tools. And I put the mini back in, as you're seeing. That's out of the way now, so I can close the doors because it is getting a bit cold. It's still snowing. So there's still more rubbish to do. There's still more tidying to do. So I'm just going to stick you on another time lapse with some sweet music, so enjoy. Now before anyone gives out to me about throwing away Honda parts, I did ask did anyone want them. I've thrown out an SIR fuel tank, bonnet, and now I'm throwing away headlights that have tiny cracks in them, but we have 2 or 3 sets already, so they're all going in the bin because I do not want them here anymore because they're always in the way, and I really want to just keep the garage clean from now on. Right, yo, that's enough for picking up rubbish for the meantime. I do have a lot of other stuff on the ground here behind me, unfortunately. All this stuff needs to go away, but I do have a space for all my cleaning gear now. And that's all my polishes, demon shine, rapid detailers, polishes, glass cleaners, all that kind of stuff. And then we do have more storage for obviously other bits and pieces that I will be getting, more product. I'm going to be bringing out my own detailer spray, like show shine. You know, when you wash a car and the next day you see it's dusty, spray on, wipe off. It's going to be Urban Shine from Urban Backstreet Garage. It's going to be a really good product. Also going to do an interior cleaner. So it's the like of all your black plastics and even your seats. You can spray this on and wet vac it off. It's going to smell, yeah, smell good. So I'm going to crack on with getting all these tools away. I'm going to move all the tool drawers, as I was saying, over into that corner over there. So I'm going to move this red one over now, and then I'm going to tear it apart and I'm going to take all the tools out and then refill it with everything. So I want to do like spanners, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, different drawer for different things. So I'm going to crack on with that now, guys. Nice, another quick time lapse with some more sweet music. So enjoy. So yeah, that took me a lot longer than I wanted it to, and I still have more to do because there is a big box full of tools there and a big trolley full of full of tools. So yeah, guys, let's crack on with this absolute mess and get it clean, and hopefully it stays that way. Enjoy the music. So, doesn't look like much, but that's just all my bits and pieces hanging about. Doesn't look like I got much done, but when you actually, oh, I still have to do that and all that. But when you look back, it's just bits and pieces to go away. Like, at least you need a spanner, you need sockets, screwdrivers, and pliers and vice grips. So it's getting there, guys. You know, I just put all the screwdriver bits in there, screws and bits in there, empty. It's pretty much empty. Like, just to have everything in its place so you can find it. So yeah guys, just starting from this end of the garage. It doesn't look like we got much done, but in all fairness, we have the bench back. So this is going to get bolted down. All this stuff is going. I have lights to go up here. I'm going to put one up there, and one up the other end, just to have it a bit brighter when we're working in this area. That battery's on charge. That stuff is all going to go up with all of the paint mixing stuff. I have cans of paint there, filler, primer, whatever. All that stuff is going to get put away as well. These are pretty much empty. That's just Aaron's supercharger and an exhaust off John's Corolla. Everything else just needs to be put away. A few Honda bits that Aaron wanted to keep because he wanted to, I don't know why. Turbo kit for a Mini, a few Mini bits and pieces. Anyone want a boot box out of an EG6? It doesn't have the lid, but it's for the boot of a Civic, so if you want it, PM me. I'm just going to keep it there for putting bits and pieces in. All of that stuff in the bags, this polishing stuff is going away. These can go away underneath the van. All of this stuff won't be there. I'm going to put this back over here out of the way. As you can see, as we come over here, that's my toolbox and another infrared light to keep us warm. All this stuff is going to go away now. Bin, rubbish, that's for me mate Connor. I have to send it down. I keep telling him I'm going to bring it round to his garage and I keep forgetting. I have hoodies and t-shirts and stuff for him as well. That's a manual steering rack because he's doing a K20 in his EG, and I'm just going to throw him the manifold and the gear selector because I don't need them and he might get to use them, or one of his mates might use them for a VTEC. So it's a B16 manifold and a B16 gear linkage that I'm literally just going to either throw out or I can give it to him. That's more scrap metal, that's more rubbish. And then we have over here what I've been doing nearly the whole day. So you need a spanner, spanners are there. You need the socket, sockets are there. Screwdrivers, pliers and vice grips. So yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Is we have a drill there, that's Aaron's drills and his impact gun. And then everything else is just rubbish and needs to go away. So what I'm going to concentrate on now is this. I'm just going to go through it, throw out what doesn't need to be there, put away what does need to be there, and then that can be pushed out of the way and I can move everything around and finally get this garage all clean. So yeah guys, let's crack on with it. But before we do, look at the van. It actually looks pretty decent. So Aaron made that out of cardboard. That's a cardboard bumper. So Reaper wants to get stuff made in fiberglass. So when he welds everything up underneath it, because it's full of holes. But it's starting to look like a complete van. I'm going to get him something pretty 3D printed for the front here because they're going to put a piece of wood here and stain it. It's going to look cool, and then Reaper detailing on it. Then these are going to get blacked out, I think, with nice new LED projectors, and then fiberglass all this, and then sand it down, paint a black cherry. I think you should go with some maybe ghosties in behind the paint. I think it'd look awesome. But yeah, it does. It looks as you can see, it's copied off my front lip off the Mini, but it does look cool. It's going to be a cool little van when it's done. It's just a cab off it, and it does look cool. There's still a bit of rust, still a few holes, as you can see, like a cheese grater. But this side isn't done yet. Aaron done the whole other side, so all around there and around the lip is done. So yeah guys, that's going to be an exciting project all on its own. So we will do a video on this when we're doing more works with, but for now we're concentrating on getting the garage in a workable way. Another day we will come down and we'll sweep out, and I think I'm going to paint the floor properly in sections. So I might just do over there, and then we can push the Mini when it's dry and do it there. But in all fairness, look at that. Ooh, can't wait to get this finished. Right, anyhow, over here, let's get this done. So yeah, that trolley was full. Decided not to film it because I just emptied it out and left it there. So I'm just going to put everything away and get this area tidied up. So it'll only take 2 minutes hopefully. So that's that whole area cleared up now. This is all rubbish. So that's another dump run. Once all that's gone, it's gone. These wheels need the tyres taken off, and then the tyres can go. This polishing machine is going, and then this van can push up against the corner even further against the engine. We'll have more room over here, which, yeah, it will be perfect. So I'm gonna get all of this done now. So I'm just gonna clear this area, and then I'll move over and I'll clear that area. I'm gonna do it in stages, so I need to move stuff around. I don't want to be putting it where I just cleaned. So I'm gonna get all this put away, and the jack maybe over here with all the axle stands and the ramps, and then the hoover can go in the press, and we'll get it done, move stuff around. So I thought I heard something leaking, but it's not. I just seen styrofoam come from underneath the door. Oh God, what the hell is happening? Don't stick, I don't like snow. It's wet and slippy and cold. Right, let's get back to this. So the Civic's in, it was snowing, and it's so funny the way the snow sat on the carbon fibre. It's where it stays with the shape of the structure on the inside. So yeah, nice bit of snow on the roof there and on the spoiler. So just gonna lock up now. I don't know if Reaper knew this, but Aaron can't read, obviously, but maybe he learn. You think he learn?
Ha! He can only read pictures.